Hey, you, it's Alicia Dion. I know you have been away from the business for a while, but I'm excited today because I get to welcome you back into the fold. Listen, it doesn't matter what happened because you are here right now, and that means you are ready to not only reboot, but reload, and we are ready to help you. So, again, welcome back. Now, we understand that life happens, and that's okay. No matter how good our intentions are, sometimes things just don't work out, right? Maybe you didn't get the help that you needed. Maybe you needed another type of energy because I'm big in the belief vibrations mean everything. Whatever it was, place it to the side and really commit to moving forward. Now, I want you to go ahead, grab pen, grab paper because this is going to be the hard part, right? Maybe previously you really didn't understand the business and what all it entails. So we're going to break things down here just a bit for you. We're not going to go in depth, but we are going to give some explanation. Now, you have to go ahead and decide right now what you want to do. Do you want to book travel and travel alone, earn commissions, or do you want to help other people start their own travel businesses? Or do you want to have the ability to do both and ensure you absolutely leave no money on the table and open up pathways, hear me now, to not only leverage income, but also residual income? Whatever you decide, we're going to be here to help. And we also know that you're absolutely going to kill it this time around. Now that we've discussed that, it's time to really decide what path you're going to take, right? And we're going to tell you what you're going to have access to. First and foremost is that number one thing, proven leadership. You're going to get locked in with proven leadership, right? A team that coined the term big team mentality, right? Because around these parts, it's all about the big team. You're going to get access to hands on leadership that not only listens to what you have going on in your life to help you determine where this business fits, right? You're also going to get access to our calendar where you can schedule one on one strategy sessions, y'all. There's never a reason this time around that you have to feel stuck or unproductive in your business. And lastly, as far as the leadership goes, you're going to get access to accountability circles of people that are going to help you reach your goals as well. But you're also going to get access to what I like to say are our systems and our tools because you can't go forward if you do not have a system. You have to have a method of operation, and we're going to help you through ours. Not only are you going to get access to the company leadership and training, guys, but we have live and recorded team trainings as well that will help you outline step by step methods that will work to help you build and market your business. Now, you're also going to get access to our social media strategy and learn the importance of brand awareness as well. And we're going to help you build funnels. We're not going to charge you to build funnels. We're going to help you build funnels and drive traffic. And you're also going to get access to our private Facebook community and our team retreats as well, right? Does that sound good? Not only that, we're going to share with you how you can put your business on autopilot. Now, you're going to have access to our leadership, our systems, our tools, but we're also want to help you get rid of that overhead if you so desire. Simply by using the referral system, guys, your business can be on autopilot monthly. You can choose to do this yourself or you can involve your team. If you do it yourself, if you open up 15 agencies, your business is on autopilot. But it's more conducive to involve the team, right? We say a big team mentality, right? People helping people, combine efforts. If you personally open up a minimum of 4 agencies and help your team grow that to 15, your monthly overhead, guys, is wiped out. So let's put your business on autopilot today. So now it's time to lock in and reload. You got the information. If you want to start your travel agency and book travel for others, great. We have a plan here to help you grow your brand, find your niche, and lock in your first customer, right? If you need more info, you're not sure yet what you want to do, go ahead and set up a one on one strategy, and we're going to show you how you can do that in just a bit. We do not want you to miss this wave. But if you're not only ready to start your own agency, but also help others do the same globally, then we have a step by step system that we know works, that is absolutely ready for you. And we want to show you how to win. Now, all you have to do is go to the following pages, guys, and use the sponsor ID Bama Travel and follow the instructions. Whether you want to do travel or you want to build a global team, guys, go to the links, use the sponsor ID. It's best that you actually use Chrome and not Firefox to avoid any issues. But if you do happen to run into any issues, just simply reach out so we can walk you through the process. Now, once you are in the system, here's the thing: you're going to be invited to a few of our private interest groups on Facebook, okay? So be looking out for those requests as well. Here is that link so you can get on the schedule for that strategy session, guys. Do it right away so you're not sitting and waiting idly. Go ahead and get started, like I said, so you don't miss the wave. We are looking forward to help you win in a major way. And here is something that I really want to say. We know you could have chosen to join anybody else, but the fact that you chose us, it means a whole lot. It means the world to us. Let's make 2024 and beyond the greatest. And again, guys, welcome back.